Hi guys, it's Jules from my stay-at-home adventures, and I want to make a quick video to show you guys our September freebie. And of course, it has taken me forever with kids crying, technical difficulties, and insecurities. But anyway, let's get this done. If you have not signed up to our newsletter, you need to, because we are giving away September monthly budget printables to help you with your finances. And this is the same sheet that we use in our home for our binder. And if you have our binder, you can actually download this for free and add it to your binder. And the cover, it's something like this. And it's actually our binder, our messy binder. But anyway, it's something like this, and I will show you on the screen. But it's very helpful. It helps us stay on track for our binders, and I'm sure you guys want to see us or our messy binder, but it's something like September and something. This is our personal binder. I just want to give you a sneak peek. Anyway, so I will leave the link for the binder and the freebie, of course, below. But anyway, let's go look at the printables, just in case you're on the fence about it. But here's the printable. When you sign up, you will get a link to it, and I just want to make sure that you know that if you use a Happy Planner Classic, you can download the printable to fit the Happy Planner Classic. And again, there will be more information on the link below. Just the first page, second page, and look how gorgeous this is. It screams fall. And the monthly goals, and the monthly budget, and the paycheck budgeting sheets. And you can print as many as you want. The cash envelope. And if you do bi-weekly, and the cash envelope, how much cash do I need? The cash envelope tracker. The cash envelope tracker expense for the month, the monthly income, monthly expenses, monthly debt, monthly saving tracker, and then the monthly recap. And that's it. Again, hi Pancho. And again, this is color coordinated. So income will be this color, expense will be this 2 color, savings will be this color, and envelopes will be this color to make it easy for you to track. I have a video showing how I use the sheets, how each monthly budgeting sheet is used for, and I will leave the link below too. So if you have any more questions, just email me at mystayathomeadventures@gmail or joyce@mystayathomeadventures.com, or leave comments below, and then I will answer the best that I can. Again, this is free, and also don't forget that if you sign up to our newsletter, that you get your free cash envelope. See, it matches. See, it goes together. It's like a thing going on here. Till next time, if you have any questions again, guys, just let me know, and I will gladly help you. Have a good day.